wanted to do a short video on our surveys. I know many of us are having issues with getting past firewalls at high schools, things of that nature, but I also wanted to do how to set up your surveys. Many of you are having questions on the typing of it and everything else. So I have opened up a Google Doc, and again, if you need help with a Google Doc, just remember you come to your Google Drive. You're going to come to Google Docs where I hit the new, do a Google Doc, and it will open up a new Google Doc for you. Now, I have come in here and typed up a survey. You will notice that I have the disclaimer statement that is required from the survey. Please make sure that you have that disclaimer statement at the top of your survey. And then I have typed up the questions. Please don't type them up exactly as they are on the sheet in your project. They're too close, they're too bunched up. You need to make the survey look presentable. That's one thing about this project is you need to create an actual survey. What I've given you is not an actual survey or anything. So make sure that you've spaced out the options where this individual will circle. Make sure you've given space between the questions, things of that nature. Okay, so did do it as a bullet point. You can do it as question 1, 2, 3, things like that. I've given the lines, but I've given some space for the individuals to circle. So I've broken it up a little bit more, because if you type it just like I had it on the sheet, it's going to look very bunched up, kind of like this, and it's not very presentable or anything. You want to make things look a little bit more presentable as an actual survey for people to take. So nothing that is exactly like what is given to you. Remember to add your 3 questions for your group down here. You will have a qualitative variable, a discrete variable, and a continuous variable. Now, don't put discrete variable, this, continuous variable, this. Just write them as questions, or say number of whatever, colon, blah, blah, blah. In other words, write them just as a survey question. You do not have to identify this is my discrete variable, this is my continuous variable, anything like that. If I have questions, I'll ask you. Make sure that you change your project name up here. It will originally be untitled, but you can just come up here and type in. Remember, it's going to be your group name -survey. Now, some of us are having issues with uploading this to Canvas. So what I would like for you to do is, you've typed it in Google Docs, you've shared it with all of your group members so everybody has the same one. So everyone is going to go to File, and then you're going to download, and you're going to download it as a PDF document. That way it will save to your computer as a PDF, and you'll notice that it comes open down here. I'm going to click Open. It's going to come up, and then I'm going to have to hit this over here where it's Download again. But whenever I do that, it's going to let me save it wherever I want it to save. Okay? I can save it to desktop, whatever. Once it's saved as a PDF, then you're going to be able to upload it into Canvas under just Files. You don't have to share it with your Google Drive or anything like that. Just upload it underneath the Files portion of your project. This is for project 1 for the survey portion. So go ahead and take care of that. And if you have any questions, let me know.